every single day. They open hearts and doors so wide, with kindness, joy, and love inside. Let's learn the magic words today. Come and sing along, hooray! No.
We'll want a turn to play, or need a snack without delay. Don't forget this word so sweet, it makes requests sound kind and neat. Say it soft, say it bright, say it please and you'll sound just right. Someone helps or shares with you, there's something kind that you can do. Look them in the eyes and say thank you, it will make their day. Big or small, short or long, thank you makes your heart feel strong.
When you help your friend with care, and they say thanks while standing there, don't be shy, just smile and say you're welcome, it will make their day. It's like a hug you send in words, thank you makes your heart feel strong.
If you bump or need to speak, but someone else is talking, raise your hand and calmly say, excuse me, it's the polite way. Excuse me shows you truly care, and helps us all be more aware.
If you make a little mess, or cause a friend some small distress, take a breath and from your heart say I'm sorry, it's a caring start.
It's not so hard, just give it a try.
I'm sorry helps your friendship fly. Magic words, they shine so bright, helping kids to do what's right. Please, thank you, excuse me too, I'm sorry, and you're welcome too.
Let's say them loud, let's say them clear, spread the magic far and near.
Use your words both day and night, let your kindness glow so bright. Magic words in all